jingpynbna ya ke Khubor Babha na ke Kospel Lukas kalnong san kedekot kanyo adu arpun riu. Pynkoit ya bapang iapshiliang. To ngin ya duai lang ya kane ke jing duai bagak tien ublay kan syong ne syong sa ha kadanod jungi ko blay be isen ay to pensle yanga daw mensim bakhuid jung me at pa ngadang pule ya kaktin ke jong me ay bangan yos ngaw ya kasur jong me Kaba pasiaw hakamansim junga ay nga kajing stad jing shampang man sngaw tu ya ka Khubor Babha ay nga ay bakaktin jong me kalong kajing kemen ya kadanod ka jonga bat kasyarak ya kikijat jonga ay nga kabor bantay ya kajing im jonga halor kaktin jong me to ay ba ki e ba ro kinlong hanga katkum kaktin jong me pan kemen yanga habang yos ngaw ya kaktin jong me bat bangan ri kendong ya ka ren kutrai nga syakri jong me sngap blay sibon Jisu ya ro ya me Jisu kaktin ublay naga Kospel Bakhuid Lukas kalnong san dekot kanyo adu arpun riu hakaway sngi kadpau Jisu udang hikai lay syong hangta iparisi bat kistat ain kibalawan naman la kisnong ke Galilea bat Judea bat na Jerusalem kabor utrai kaladon hau Jisu man pynkoit ikibapang kato kanengut kirang ba kilawan ra hakapalong way ubriu ubapang iapshiliang bat kila persyang ban penrung ya u apo ying ban bu ya u hakmat U Jisu namar babun briu kim syam layolat ban penrung ya u hapo kumta lara ya u shalor tnum ying kila weng ya kisarau sob ying bat kila penhiar ya u ha kapalong ha pedeng kibriu hakmat U Jisu haba U Jisu ulia i ya kejengit jengki ula ong hauta ubriu kolok lamap ya kipop jongpi kistat ain bat kiparisi kila sedang ban ya ong parameki ubriu ayu une ubakran beng blay ha kane kerukom mano bala ban map pop lạch tăng ublehi U Jisu ulatip ya kajeng perkhat jengki bat ulaong haki balai pia perkhat kumne hatu kekham jem ban ong lamap ya ki pop jong phi ne ban ong khi joj bat tu yaj ngapen I happy ba ukhon ubriu udon kabor ka perthei ban map pop kumta ula ong ha uta ubapang iapshiliang nga ong happy yeng joj shim ra ila ka jingthia bat khile shalayeng mar kumta ta ubriu la yeng hakmat jungki baro ula shim ya ka jingthia ha Kaba ula thia bat le shalayeng udaya ro ya ublay baro kilalengo ngany da kajing ngauping kila pedon burom ya ublay kat kane kajing phala ngeliyo I menta sngi
jing duriap bat jing puson.
Jesus was teaching, and Pharisees and teachers of the law were sitting there. They had come from every village of Galilee and from Judea and Jerusalem. And the power of the Lord was with Jesus to heal the sick. Some men came carrying a paralyzed man on a mat and tried to take him into the house to lay him before Jesus. When they could not find a way to do this because of the crowd, they went up on the roof and lowered him on his mat through the tiles into the middle of the crowd, right in front of Jesus. When Jesus saw their faith, he said, "Friend, your sins are forgiven." The Pharisees and the teachers of the law began thinking to themselves, "Who is this fellow who speaks blasphemy? Who can forgive sins but God alone?" Jesus knew what they were thinking and asked, "Why are you thinking these things in your hearts? Which is easier, to say, 'Your sins are forgiven,' or to say, 'Get up and walk'? But I want you to know that the Son of Man has authority on earth to forgive sins." So he said to the paralyzed man, "I tell you, get up, take your mat, and go home." Stood up in front of them, took what he had been lying on, and went home, praising God. Everyone was amazed and gave praise to God. They were filled with awe and said, "We have seen remarkable things today."
Kajing yaro yame ko Chris.